Hello everyone, this is Anil from Sigma classes. So students, last time we have discussed the method of finding the square root of any number, that is the prime factorization method and the long division method. So in today we are going to be start our new exercise, that is exercise 3E, and in this exercise there are some questions which are we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Means the one is the how to find out the square root of a number through long division method, or you can choose the prime factorization method also. If the question is given that you have to find out the square root of that number through the or you can say the long division method, so in that particular situation you have to find only that square root through long division method. But if it is not mentioned in your question, then you can choose any one method from those. Okay, now so in this exercise there is mostly some word problem based question. So I have taken one question from this exercise, and this is the most important question because most of the questions is similar to this question. Okay, so that's why I chosen this question, and we will solve how to solve this question. Okay, now see this one. What is the question? Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square, and also find the square root of the number so obtained. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, 5 डिजिट का एक मीन्स 5 अंकों की बड़ी से बड़ी संख्या का हमें एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बताना है, और उसका हमें स्क्वायर रूट भी बताना है कि वो क्या होगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी हैव greatest 5 digit number. You know the greatest 5 digit number? Yes, 5 times 9, 1 2 3 4 5. It will be the number which having the 5 digit, and it is the greatest 5 digit number. Okay, now see. Sorry. Now we will make a pair from right side. Okay, now see, 3 3 is 9. Okay, and now we will take one complete pair, as we have already discussed this long division method in the previous lecture. Okay, so this time we are taking 99. Okay, and now 3 plus 3 this one and 3 this one becomes 6. Okay, now this time we will take the 1 because we are following the simply division process. Okay, so that's why we are taking the 1. So this time so 61 bन जा 61, and whenever you will subtract this one you will get what? Then 8 and 3. Okay, now see, 61 plus this digit, that is 1, it will become what? 62. Okay, now take this pair of 99, next pair, so 62. Okay, 6 is 36. Yes, we can take the 6 and we will put the 6 here and simultaneously here. Now do the multiply of 626 to this 6. So you will get what? 6 6 are 36. 3. Okay, now subtract it. 3 4 and 1. Okay, now see here, and after this term is finished, completely finished. Okay, so if we will find any if we will find the perfect means complete square root of this number, then it will come with the decimal form. Okay, but see the question, we have to find the perfect square, means a number without decimals. Okay, so now So therefore, that is greatest 5 digit is what? Means that is, you can say the square root of this means this one will lie between what? Lie between this one. ये जो होगा बेटा, ये क्या करेगा, इन दोनों के स्क्वायर रूट के बीच, मींस इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में लाई करेगा कहीं ना कहीं. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो ग्रेटेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर होगा, बट इट विल बी व्हाट, इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन दिस वन. स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस वन इज ग्रेटर देन दिस वन. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से व्हाट, required number of 5 digit equal to what? 9999 minus this remainder. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, ये रिमाइंडर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, then you will get the answer. That is 936 945 918 and rest of the 9. Okay, so this will be the number, means a perfect square of 5 digits, and square root, okay, and square root of 99856 equal to what? This one, that is 316. Okay, so it will be your answer. So in this way you can find such types of the, you can find the solution for such types of the questions. Okay, and now we are moving to the next topic, that is how to find out the square root of a decimal number. Okay, so this is going to be the most more important, so you have to focus on this topic also. Now see, तो एक्चुअली बेटा क्या है, ये बिल्कुल ठीक ऐसा ही है. हमें मोस्टली क्या करना होगा, जो भी ये डेसिमल का हमें स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है, उसमें भी हमें पहले तो ये समझिए, ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी रहेगी जो कि बेस्ड है आपका स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ अ डेसिमल नंबर. वो क्या रहेगी आपकी 3EF, मे बी योर F. ओके, 3F एक्सरसाइज हो सकती है. So in this exercise we will learn how to find out the square root of any decimal numbers. Okay, so here we are taking one example. 42.25 is a number. We have to find out the square root of this number. Okay, now सबसे पहले ये चेक करेंगे, ये जो नंबर है बेटा 2 पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट हो रखा है. इट्स योर वन होल नंबर पार्ट, होल नंबर्स पार्ट, एंड इट्स योर डेसिमल पार्ट. ओके, डेसिमल पार्ट. तो जितना भी होल नंबर का पार्ट है उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, पेयरिंग किस साइड से करेंगे, लेफ्ट टू राइट चलेंगे, और जितना भी हमारा डेसिमल पार्ट होगा उसके लिए राइट टू लेफ्ट चल जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ सी हियर 42.25, so we will take a pair from this side, and for this one we will move to this side. Okay, now apply the prime factorization method, sorry, long division method. Now see, we will put the 6 here. 6 6 is 36. What is here? 6. Okay, now 6 plus this 6 become 12, and now write down what? Take this complete pair of 2 digits, there is 25. Now we will put the 5 here, and now 5 here. So 125 5 ja 625. So it's your answer. Okay, sorry, after this you will get a point here now. So your answer is what? This implies square root of 4225 equal to 6.25. 6.5. Okay, sorry. So it will be your answer. So in this way you can easily find out the square root of any decimal numbers. Okay, now see, let's take the one question from your exercise, that is question number 3 of exercise 3F. Okay, question number 3. Okay, So we have to find out the square root of the 156.25. So you know it, how to solve this question. It's your solution. We have. Okay. Now this implies we can write like this: 156.25. Make a pair and pair and pair. Now see. 1 1 and 1. Nothing. Take this complete pair, 56. 1 plus 1 gives 2. Okay, this one and this one gives what? 2. So 2 and 2. 22 2 ja 44. Subtract it. 2 1. Now this complete pair, and after this you will put this point here, decimal. Okay, now what is the next digit? It's your 25. So now see, okay, now we will add what? This 2. It will become 24 and the number like 5. Okay, so 5 5 by 25 found. It's your answer. This implies square root of 156.25 equal to what? What? 12.5. Okay. So it will be your answer. So I hope you got the idea how to find out the square root of a decimal number. Okay, listen students, it is one more topic was there for your next exercise, and only the one topic is there, that one property is there, so we will discuss only here. Okay, and after this your chapter number 3 is completed. Okay, so what is that property? Property number 1, you have to learn what? Square root of AB equal to, we can write like this, A into square root of B. Okay, square root of A by B, we can write like this, square root of A over square root of B. Okay, so there are only these two property. By the help of these two property you can solve that exercise. Okay, and still if you are facing any types of the problem in this topic, then please leave your comment, leave your problem in the comment section, and or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, and I will try to resolve your problem. Okay, and please, I noticed that some of the students are not watching the complete video, and that's why they are facing some problem. And so first watch the complete video and then try to solve the question. Okay, तो एक बार पूरा देखने में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, इतना टाइम लगाइए, आप थोड़ा सा दीजिए उसको, and definitely I'm sure you can find the answer of any types of the problem of your chapter 3. Okay, and so in this way we have completed this chapter. Okay, so that's enough for today. Thank you.